DA-100, Analyzing Data with Microsoft Power BI Exam. Sample Practice Exam Questions. These sample exam questions by Study4Exam are curriculum-based and cover all the latest exam topics. Before moving further, let's have a look at how these questions are going to make an impact on your exam preparation. We have Microsoft DA-100 exam practice questions available in 3 different formats: web-based Microsoft DA-100 practice test, Microsoft DA-100 questions and answers, PDF, Microsoft DA-100 desktop practice test software. Our PDF questions are handy and easily accessible, whereas web-based and desktop practice tests are self-assessment tools that provide a real-time exam environment. They enable you to point out your preparation weaknesses, so you can work hard to fix them before appearing for the actual exam. Try out our free demo version for a clear demonstration. Link is in the description. Follow the link in the description for more Microsoft DA-100 exam questions.